Hello guys, welcome to the DFS channel. So this strategy is a spike catching strategy, okay? And this strategy right here is a strategy you can use to catch not just one spike, but you are catching multiple spike with this strategy, okay? So imagine if you catch this type of spike in the market now. Think of the profits you are going to be making with this type of spike if you catch it. Now, if this is the strategy and the profits you always wanted, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also post notification anytime we post new strategy. You guys will be aware, okay? So let's talk about settings of the strategy, then we dive into how you can use the strategy. We dive into that how the strategy works. First thing you want to do, just click this icon you are seeing at the top. So this way we are going to be adding all the indicator up. And the first indicator is the CCI, okay? How do we add this up? We click on this F icon right here on our main chart. Click on this F icon on main chart. Search for your CCI and click on it. Now for the CCI, the period is 2030. The applied to typical price HLC is /3. Level is none. Time frame is not time frame. And for the style, use any color of your choice and click on save. Then you're going to have your CCI in your chart. Now to the next indicator is the moving average. How do we add this up? We click on this F icon on our indicator window 1. Search for moving average and click on it. Now for the moving average, the period is 10, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close. And for the style, use any color of your choice and click on save. Then you're going to have the moving average in your chart. Now to the next indicator, we click on this F icon again. We search for moving average and click on it. We search for the average directional movement index and we search for it. Now the parameter, the place is 140. For the style, use any color of your choice for the D1 minus D1 plus D1 and the style. So click on save once you add everything up and you're going to have your moving or your indicator in your chart. Now how do we now use this strategy? How does this strategy work? It's very simple and it's very straightforward strategy, okay? So your aim is to catch spike. And how do you catch the spikes you want? Now to catch the spike is very simple. For the zoom level, before I forget, when you zoom out completely, just zoom in once and you're good to go. That is the zoom level we are going to be using for this strategy, okay? So how do you catch strike? It's very simple. What you are waiting for is we wait for the CCI and the moving average line to meet each other at the 10 at the 0 levels of the ADX. Okay, just the axes will just meet each other, which you can see it right here. So once they meet each other at the 0 levels of the ADX, then that is where you are now going to be looking for a buy. That's when you are going to be looking for a buy, and then you can see how massive this price do spike right at this area. Okay, so you don't need any confirmation. All you have to do is just wait patiently. Okay, you want to see both the moving average and the CCI to meet at the same time on the 0 levels of the CCI. That is what you want to wait for before you take any trade with this strategy. Okay, so let's go back and look to backtest the strategy. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward strategy, and with this strategy you can be seeing multiple trade in a day. With this strategy you can be seeing multiple trades in a day. So you just want to wait for the moving average and the CCI to come and touch the levels, the ADX line. They just have to come and touch the ADX line, then you go for your buy. Very simple and very straightforward strategy. Okay, so let's go to crash. I can show you more trades on crash as well. Same thing applicable, just an opposite direction. Okay, remember on boom we are looking to trade at the 0 levels. Now on crash we are looking to trade at the oversold level, which is the 90 levels. Okay, now that's where we're looking to trade. Now how do you take a trade? It's very simple and something applicable. Just want to see both the moving average and the CCI to meet each other at the ADX levels, ADX line. I mean the ADX line right here. You just have to wait for the moving average and the CCI to come and touch each other. When that happens, then you are looking to go for a buy. Okay, you are looking to go for a buy. Now you are not taking a trade when you see that they does not touch the line. Don't take a trade. Just we don't take all this trade right here. Don't take it. Just wait patiently for it to touch the ADX line at the line at both the moving average and the CCI. Okay, it's very simple and very straightforward strategy. Okay, that's how you use the strategy. So one example before I call it a day. So this is another trade right here, and let's look for a clean trade. Okay, you can see this trade right here. And remember, with this strategy, you're not just catching one spike, you are catching multiple spike. Okay, you are catching multiple spike with this strategy. Okay, so talking about this trade right here, let's look for a recent price move. Now you can see right here we have the moving average and the CCI touch the ADX line. Once we see that, we are looking to take a buy, and then we catch all this spike right here. All this spike, we are going to be catching it. Okay, it's very simple and it's very effective strategy you can use. Now that is all for the video today. So I hope you guys love this type of content, and don't forget to make sure that you work on this strategy and backtest this strategy as well. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let's just do some quick recap. Okay, so if you want to do any type of confirmation, you can just look for a moving average like the 10 moving average. You can look for it and then add it to your main chart. So very simple and very straightforward. Factor the strategy and figure out how the strategy works for you as well. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and time we post new strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.